Ever wondered how to train your cat to obey commands or use a litter box properly? Well, you're in the right place. Cat training is not only possible but crucial for a peaceful cohabitation. It's often misunderstood that cats are independent creatures and can't be trained. But that's not true. Cats can learn and adapt beautifully, creating a bond of understanding and respect between you and your feline friend. So, without further ado, let's delve into the world of cat training. First and foremost, understanding your cat is key to successful training. Cats are creatures of habit, each with their unique preferences and behaviors. Observing these is the first step towards effective training. Take time to note your cat's favorite toys, preferred treats, and even the times when they're most active. These insights can help you tailor a training program that aligns with your cat's natural tendencies, making the process more enjoyable and effective for both of you. Remember, cats are not like dogs. They require a different approach to training. Patience and consistency are your best allies. Cats may not respond immediately to your commands, but don't be disheartened. Consistency in your training methods will eventually yield results. Understanding is a two-way street. As you invest time in understanding your feline friend, they will also learn to understand you, forming a bond of mutual respect and love. Now that we know how essential understanding your cat is, let's move on to the actual training process. Let's start with something essential: litter box training. Just like humans, cats appreciate a clean and private place to do their business. So, the first step is selecting the right litter box. It should be large enough for your feline friend to comfortably turn around and do their digging. Next, location is key. Cats prefer a quiet, low-traffic area where they won't be disturbed. A corner in a laundry room or a bathroom usually does the trick. Now, encouraging your cat to use the box might require some creativity. Try gently placing them in the box after meals or playtime. Most cats will instinctively know what to do. Finally, maintenance is crucial. Regularly scoop out waste and completely change the litter every 1 to 2 weeks. This will keep the box fresh and inviting for your cat. Remember, this process requires patience. Don't be discouraged if your cat doesn't catch on right away. With patience and consistency, your cat will be using the litter box in no time. Moving on to the next level, training your cat to obey commands. Here, positive reinforcement is your best friend. Cats respond better to rewards than punishments, so be sure to have some treats and praises ready. Let's break it down. Start with simple commands like sit, stay, and come. Use a clear and calm voice and always use the same word for each command. Cats are intelligent creatures, but they need consistency to learn. Introduce a command, and when your cat performs it, immediately reward them with a treat or praise. This helps them associate the command with a positive outcome. With enough repetition, they'll begin to understand what you're asking for. Remember, cats have their own personalities. Not all cats will be receptive to all commands. The key is to find what works best for your feline friend, and most importantly, remember that the key to successful command training is patience, consistency, and positivity. With these in mind, you're on your way to having a well-trained, happy cat. So, there you have it, a guide to training your cat. We've journeyed through understanding your cat's unique personality, the essentials of litter box training, and the art of teaching commands. Remember, patience and consistency are your allies in this process. Never underestimate the power of positive reinforcement. It's not just about obedience, it's about building a bond of trust and love with your feline friend. With these tips and techniques, you're well on your way to having a well-behaved, obedient cat. Happy training!